Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find someone's playlist on Spotify. I feel like it's just like a new way to like follow new playlists and like listen to new songs that are in that same category. So what I like to do is I like to select search, and I like to search for stuff like, for instance, sad songs, and it's going to show you like a playlist made by the person. There's like Crying Myself to Sleep, sad songs, 2010 sad songs for sad nights, and you can like select the playlist. And for instance, like this one, you can press the like plus button here to follow the playlist, and it's going to be added into your library. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, share this to your friends and stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!